Welcome to the final module of Job Readiness Level 1. As always, Project 1 wants you to feel comfortable with the technology as you move through this module. For this module, you will be using the collaborative tools from monday.com. By now, you should have received the invite from your mentor. Check your email account, click on the email, sign up, and create your profile. Once you are in, you will see this interface. The first thing you need to do is play around with the program and get to know it before your first team meeting. Start by taking the basic training, which you can find here, and getting to know the general layout of the interface. Along the sidebar, you can find access to your workspace, shortcuts for your notifications and your inbox, which you can also find here, as well as the apps. Take some time to check out the different apps. Participation during team meetings is an essential part of this module, and your mentor will take note of your ability to suggest the correct apps and solve problems or improve workflow during simulations. Click on the buttons to open up the different apps and explore. Underneath the inbox, you will see the option to invite your teammates and start collaborating. You don't need to worry about this just yet, because for the moment, your mentor will be doing the inviting and assigning projects. Once you have spent some time getting to know how the collaborative tool works, check your email again for your assignments. When you accept the assignment, you will be redirected to monday.com, where you will have access to your workspace. So this is your example workspace. You can see the example tasks which you have been set here under the item name section. Status labels can be changed by clicking these buttons. As you move through the project tasks, you can change the status. You can assign or change priority according to team discussion and decisions. Here you can set timelines, deadlines, and add monetary value so that we can keep track of the overall budget. You can add items by clicking on the Add Item tab. You can add members, assign a status, add a priority, and your dates, like so. Take some time to get to know the various functions of the example workspace in advance of your first meeting. You will need to be familiar with all of the tools in the example interface before we move on to look at project management tools next week. Don't forget that the collaborative project is worth 50% of your final grade. Mentors will be monitoring for active participation and your willingness to take on a variety of roles within your team. Good luck and enjoy your last project.